Hello, it's your multiple award-winning tech show on television where we look at issues, trends, developments in the global ICT industry. Today, we have an incredible package for you. Stay with us.
The financial landscape in Nigeria is undergoing a profound transformation. And at the heart of this revolution are two powerful forces: artificial intelligence, AI, and financial technology, Fintech. These technologies have disrupted and reshaped traditional banking and financial services in recent years. Fintech companies have also introduced innovative solutions that have democratized financial services, making them more accessible to a broader population. Artificial intelligence, with its data analytics and machine learning capabilities, is at the forefront of enhancing customer experiences, automating processes, and mitigating risks in the finance sector. Indeed, AI is revolutionizing financial institutions' operations, from personalized financial advice to fraud detection. Mobile payment systems, digital lending platforms, and blockchain-based solutions have paved the way for financial inclusion on an unprecedented scale. What further learnings can we explore in this regard? And how is AI impacting on businesses today?
I'm a great advocate of AI. I've been involved in AI initiatives with Intel, with even Alibaba through the ABH rules. So AI is actually driving the landscape, creating a different shift in terms of not just the fintech sector, but across all the different sectors. So with respect to AI is actually creating the shift. So for every fintech player, you must look at how you can incorporate AI into your business, how you can incorporate AI into your solution, because that is actually the intent. So AI is beyond just ChatGPT, which is text, but it also goes far beyond that. So the direction of the industry is being tilted and is being shaped by AI in fintech.
There are decisions that you would want to take personally, manually. That's going to take time. Insights, you need to read up, you need to research to make some, financial decisions. But now there's AI that does all that for you. So, with the right prompts, with the right prompts, really, you can get all the information that you need, quickly, easily, and make informed decisions that can actually help you do it financially, that can help, your financial scripts.
AI is the big shiny new thing in the tech space today. And for us at MoneyPoint, we leverage AI, especially in the area of fraud detection. Fraud cases are rising in the ecosystem, and it's important that we stay ahead of the curve. And so for us, we've leveraged AI for fraud detection, unusual patterns, anything that enables us, detect when bad faith actors are trying to, have some untoward effects on the system. So yes, we're very big in deploying AI to help ensure that our systems are up to date and that we can consistently ensure that consumer funds are safe and well secured.
I would say in a very positive way. AI is, as we can imagine, everything has a downside and an upside. If you look at it from the positive standpoint, AI has been contributing immensely to the financial sector. I mean, a lot of our technology are based on AI and machine learning. And because you can train the engine with data and then you sit around and let him do his job, right? Rather than do it continuously, what has been the case for many decades where we process things manually, look at document manually. And a lot of companies who do that still today. Go to people's home to perform real address verification when you can use the engine to do that, So AI is a very vital part in the overall fintech space because you can do a lot compared to...
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's everywhere. We use AI even if you need to draft an email, you need to draft a letter. The fact that we have access to it, ChatGPT, or I know there's a new one my husband uses, but the fact that we have access to it in this country especially is fantastic. It's changing a lot of things. It's changing the way we see things. It's changing the way we speak, the way we send letters, the way we send emails. So I'm glad that we are recognizing that AI is here to stay. We use AI and blockchain as a business to support, if you're a regulator, we use that to support CBDC, central bank digital currency. So those are the mechanisms we use as a business to support CBDC. So AI is, I'm glad it's here really.
So if you say what AI can do, AI has already been doing it. AI is already there. People have already started even embedding AI. And even we as well, we've already started embedding AI because we all know that AI is let's say, we cannot say 100% secure, but 96% secure due to the algorithm behind it. Because the AI is mostly used, so the system behind it, the algorithm behind it, the logic behind it is a blockchain algorithm, which everyone is trying to also move into it. So AI has already been there to automate what human knowledge, what human being can do, but that will automate it when even while human beings are sleeping, and which everybody needs to just, okay, I have something doing repeatedly, why should I be doing it every day? Why can't I just program it and leave AI to just do that? So it has been what has been in the, but it has not been saturated, especially in Africa. We are still coming up, and which we believe that, yes, AI will still take that space because there's already been taking that space out there. It will take the space here too. If you are not there yet to start embedding AI, then you are not ready to move.
For everything that is good, people are always wary of technology, which is a good thing. But then the regulations and countries are coming up with regulations to ensure that AI operates within the scope, the confinements that can be regulated. So yeah, I think financial organizations are really leveraging AI right now.
That's why we're here as a company to help, push that message and help the regulators understand the usefulness of implying or deploying AI on different aspects. So to fight fraud, fraudsters are very, very smart individuals that can perform sophisticated crimes. And human nature, if you put that onto human factors alone, you wouldn't be able to detect all those loopholes. But an AI well-trained can do that. So I think in Africa we're still lacking behind, but it's not a bad thing because the fintech industry is growing, especially in Nigeria, and I believe with time we will get there. And AI will be used in all the aspects of so far as financial transactions are concerned.
There are lots of fintech, I think, use AI. So it depends on what way they use AI. Some people use AI in the creation of their content to minimize sort of cost in terms of manpower. So, as a fintech, when you're starting up, you can't employ a lot of people. You have to be very lean because you need to grow fast. So some people use AI to aid their manpower. Some people use AI in terms of, for instance, our app, it gets our loaners, when they go and they download the app and they try to take a loan, it's very automatic. It's not human based. So that is a form of AI that does that sort of profiles the customer and then gives them a loan that suits their profile. That is AI. So I think that fintechs use AI in their services, in sort of helping the cost of things and in growing basically.
I think it's impacting because most of fintech companies now, we already have AI generated to do certain things for them, and not excluding software. We're working on something. Come 2025, we're coming out big with something on AI. Trust me, 2025 is not just the AI part of it. We already have something on God. We have a generative AI part of it, and the good thing about us is with AI, we've seen that it makes everything seamless. Because to be very honest, the world is evolving, technology is evolving, and all of these things we need to move with the evolvement. So basically, that's it.
From all indications, the African fintech landscape is embracing artificial intelligence, AI, marking a strong example of how this technology is contributing to progress and innovation on the African continent. Don Pedro Agambi, Tech TV.